एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल बायोलॉजी प्लैनेट। आज हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं एक नए टॉपिक के बारे में, दैट इज टिश्यू, राइट। In our earlier videos, we have already discussed about the chapter cell. हम लोग सेल के बारे में ऑलरेडी पढ़ चुके हैं in detail. We have seen the animal cell and the plant cell in detail. सेल ऑर्गेनेल्स के बारे में भी हम डिटेल में पढ़ चुके हैं. नाउ टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू सी द नेक्स्ट चैप्टर ऑफ क्लास 9th, दैट इज टिश्यू, राइट. टिश्यू के बारे में पढ़ने से पहले कुछ चीजें ऐसी हैं दैट वी नीड टू अगेन जस्ट रिकॉल. हमें रिकॉल करनी पड़ेंगी प्रीवियस चैप्टर से. जैसे कि हम चैप्टर सेल में पढ़ चुके हैं. वी हैव ऑलरेडी सीन that the organisms can be of two types on the basis of number of cells present in their body, right. We have seen that there are two type of organisms on the basis of their the number of cells present in their body. One is unicellular, another one is multicellular, right. We have studied about them in chapter cell, that there are unicellular organisms as well as the multicellular organisms, right. If we talk about the unicellular organisms, just like amoeba, euglena, right, they have only single cell. Means their body is made up of only the single cell. So all the functions of their body are carried out by a single cell. Means उनकी body की जितनी भी vital activities होंगी, just like excretion, digestion, circulation, जितनी भी life process होंगी, जितनी भी vital activities होंगी, they all will be performed by a single cell in amoeba. Right, but in case of multicellular organisms, अगर हम multicellular organisms की बात करें तो whatever the animals we see all around us, जितने भी animals हम अपने आसपास देखते हैं, just like cow, dog, even the human beings, right, and green plants also. Right, means whatever the organisms we see all around us, means living organisms all around us, they are made up of cells, or if we can see them, it means they are made up of number of cells. It means millions of cells are present in their body. So these type of organisms are known as multicellular organisms, right. So in multicellular organisms means for proper living, for proper functioning of their body, all the vital activities are being performed in their body. बहुत सारी activities हमारी body में होती हैं, जैसे कि digestion, ingestion, excretion, circulation, respiration, ठीक है. तो number of things are being performed in our body. But in multicellular organisms, as I told you earlier also, that the organism is made up of number of cells. So here means the work is, जो भी हमारी body का function है, whatever the function is being performed, it is distributed to the particular group of cells. इसको और अच्छे से समझने के लिए just take example of your classroom. आप अपने classroom का example लीजिए. आपके classroom में क्या होता है? Means there is a cupboard in charge, there is a whiteboard in charge, there is one prefect, right. इस तरीके से हर एक स्टूडेंट को अलग अलग रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दे दी जाती है टू परफॉर्म द डिफरेंट टास्क, राइट. तो this is the same kind of organization is found inside our body also. इसी तरीके का ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हमारी बॉडी के अंदर भी होता है, राइट. जस्ट टेक द एग्जांपल ऑफ डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम, right. Whenever we intake something, whenever we eat food, so first of all we chew the food properly with the help of teeth. Then this food goes down with the help of food pipe, and this food goes down into the stomach, then small intestine, and then large intestine, and so on, right. Then the excretion takes place here, right. So here different organs are playing role in the digestive system, right. अगर हम respiratory system की बात करें तो we breathe in, right, with the help of nose, and then air goes in through the nostrils, nasal passage, windpipe, and ultimately it goes to the lungs. So here we have seen in the different organ systems, there are different organs are also there. Means in our body, all the specific tasks, just like respiration, digestion or excretion, they all are performed by the specific organ system, right? And these organ systems are actually made up of number of organs, right? And organs are made up of number of or group of tissues, and here the tissues are made up of group of cells. So in case of multicellular organism, they have different systems, these different organ systems for स्पेसिफिक फॉर एवरी स्पेसिफिक टास्क. उनकी बॉडी में क्या होता है, डिफरेंट सिस्टम होता है. तो दिस इज हाउ यू कैन सी दैट इन यूनिसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म ऑल द vital activities, all the specific tasks of the body are performed by a single cell, because उनकी body में सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक cell होती है. Their body is made up of only the single cell. While in multicellular organism, their body is made up of millions of cells, right? And these cells are grouped together. The cells, suppose we have already seen the structure of cell, the structure of animal cell and the plant cell in the previous videos also. Suppose this is the animal cell, and this cell will divide into two. Then again these two cells will divide into 4 cells. So this is how they will, after the division of cells, these cells will form a group of cells, the same kind of group of cells. And this group of cells is known as tissue. This group of cell is known as tissue. इसी को हम tissue कहते हैं. तो basically in this chapter we are going to study about tissues. तो tissue की अगर हम बात करें तो in one line we can say that tissues are, what are tissues? अगर हम tissue को one line में समझने की कोशिश करें तो tissues are a group of similar cells which work together, right? तो basically अगर हम tissue की definition देखें तो tissues are nothing else but these are a group of cells which are similar in structure and they are grouped together to perform a specific task. राइट, इसको हम और अच्छे से समझ लेते हैं. जैसे कि अगर हम डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम की बात कर रहे हैं, अगेन आई एम टेकिंग द एग्जांपल ऑफ डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम. तो हियर वी विल सी दैट नंबर ऑफ मींस ऑर्गन्स आर देयर, राइट? देयर आर द फूड पाइप इज देयर, द स्टमक इज देयर, स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन इज देयर, लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन इज देयर. तो ये जो सारे ऑर्गन्स हैं, दीज ऑल ऑर्गन्स आर ग्रुप टुगेदर टू फॉर्म द ऑर्गन सिस्टम. एंड ऑर्गन इज ऑल्सो फॉर्म with the help of the group of tissues, the same kind of tissues, and the tissues which are present in that organ is made up of group of cells. एक cell से मिलकर बना, which are similar in the structure and the function. So now if we will see the level of organization, then we will understand better then what is the level of organization in organisms. तो सबसे पहले अगर हम level of organization की बात करते हैं, level of organization in multicellular organism, so here we will see that firstly the cell is there, right? Then after when the cell divides, then they form the group of cells. They form the group of cells. So here the group of cells means the group of similar cells, they form tissue. They form tissue. Suppose there is only one cell which divides gradually and it forms number of cells which are similar in structure and they work together. So this group of tissue will be known as, this group of cells will be known as tissue. And here the tissue means the group of tissues when they will form the organ, the particular organ they will form, right? And here number of organ means organs can be different also. यहाँ पर अब organs different हो सकते हैं. So number of different organs when they combine together, then they will form an organ system. Organ system, and वन मीन्स एंड द नंबर ऑफ ऑर्गन सिस्टम इन आवर बॉडी. जैसे हमारी बॉडी में बहुत सारे ऑर्गन सिस्टम होते हैं. डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम इज देयर, सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम इज देयर, and excretory system is there, right? So these skeletal system is also there. So basically all these systems all together they form body. ठीक है? And the organism, यहाँ पे हम organism भी लिख सकते हैं. That organism body क्या बनाते हैं? Complete organism बनाते हैं. तो basically this thing we are going to study in this chapter. We are going to study about the number of tissues which are found in our body, which are composed of different types of cells, right? So normally one type of cells, when one type of cells are grouped together, then they will form one type of tissue only. जैसे कि मैंने अभी बताया कि हमारी बॉडी में डिफरेंट ऑर्गन सिस्टम है, तो डिफरेंट ऑर्गन सिस्टम में जो सेल्स होंगी दे विल आल्सो बी डिफरेंट, राइट? तो उनका फंक्शन भी डिफरेंट होगा. तो दिस इज हाउ वी कैन सी दैट वन टाइप ऑफ सेल व्हेन दे ग्रुप टुगेदर, दैट मींस सिमिलर टाइप ऑफ सेल्स व्हेन दे ग्रुप टुगेदर, देन दे फॉर्म अ टिश्यू व्हिच combine together to form a organ, and the organs are grouped together to form organ system, and the number of organ system in our body, when they combine together, then they form a complete organism body. Then we will see about the different type of tissues in our next video. Thank you.